Mic check, test, test. Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome to a brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. Today we're going to review one of my swing trades. This was a swing trade that took 2 days to make this profit on Tesla. It was a $210 profit in 2 days. I'm going to talk exactly how I did it and how you can do it as well. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Always remember, a wage makes you a living, but profits make you a fortune. That's why we put a big emphasis on making profits, and the stock market is a great way to make profits on the side. So make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video. It really helps me out more than you think, so make sure you like it before we get started. And I do want to share some special referral links for free stocks, free money. Who doesn't love that? The first one is going to be with Webull. You'll get 2 free stocks absolutely for free. All you have to do is sign up using the link that I have in the description. For Robinhood, my favorite brokerage, you'll get a free stock with them as soon as you sign up. So there you go, 3 free stocks. With M1 Finance, they'll give you $10 to fund your brokerage as soon as you get started. So take advantage of this while they're here. And then for this Discover Secure credit card, there's a $50 sign up bonus. So $50 of free spending money. All you have to do is sign up. It's very easy. Alright, so let's load up Robinhood. So let's search for Tesla, one of my favorite stocks that I love to swing trade. I've actually made money with this stock before as well. This isn't my first time. I believe I had a video that I posted showing my Tesla swing trade where I make like $400, $500 profit. So this just adds to it. So basically I did this with 3 shares. I bought them at different price points, which is something that I follow as a strategy and I talk a lot about. And then I sold all of them at a price where it was a lot higher. And I'm going to cover the exact price points as well as the math so that we can calculate the total profit taken. Alright, to make this very simple, we first have to calculate the cost. So with the cost, we're gonna sum the prices that I bought them for. These were all individual purchases, so I bought 1 share at a certain price, the second one at a different price, and the third one at a different price. I follow a very specific strategy that keeps me profitable every single time I make an investment, and that is called averaging up. So first, whenever I see a valuable stock at a cheap price because of something that made it sell off, such as what's going on right now in the news, I take advantage of that and I simply buy my first share at a very low price. Once I buy the initial share, I consider buying a second one only if it starts to go up from the price that I paid for the first share. That is the only way that I buy a second share. If it continues to go down in value, why would I put money in it? It's going down in value, so it's not a stock that's gonna make me money right now. So Tesla followed my plan where I bought it and then it started going up from there. It might have gone down from that price for a few days, but I waited until the stock price started going up. And then once it's up from my initial purchase price, I bought a second share. Now that I have 2 shares, I wait for the price to go up even more and I buy more shares. So, and then eventually Tesla skyrocketed within a few days, actually just 2 basically. And once it went up by a lot, I decided to sell. And that's how I made my profit. I took advantage of the low prices and then kept on buying as the price went up, and eventually the price just went up by so much that it didn't make sense to average up anymore, and decided to take my profits, because profits are not profits unless you sell. Such as if you have a loss on a stock, it's not an actual loss until you decide to sell. Same thing with profits. So I decided to take the money and wait for another opportunity when it comes. My first share was at 407 with 65 cents, second share 436, 59 cents, and the third share was at 431 and then I decided to sell the 3 shares that I had for, I'm about to write it down here. There you go. About $497. That was my sold price. So as you see, a huge difference from the price points that I bought it from. And I did this with just 3 shares. It only costed about $1,200. And I'll actually show you what the actual cost was and how much I was able to make from the difference in price. So yeah, you have to be a smart investor. You have to learn how to take your money whenever you have profits. It's very important. But if you're focusing on the long term, that's even better, because you're pretty much going to make money no matter what, especially through dividends. I also invest for the long term primarily. I just kind of do this on the side with Robinhood for fun and to make some extra cash on the side. But yeah, that's my total cost that I'm writing here. How much it costed me to do this investment. How much it would have costed you as well. $1,275.24. And with any of this swing trades, I'm willing to put as much money as it takes to make a good amount of profit. If it kept on going up like this and it didn't stay stagnant, then I would have bought more, but the price differences was just too high for me not to take a profit. It was going way too high really quick, and whenever it's like that, it usually comes down really fast as well. So I just decided to take the profit while I could. So yeah, the sold price, the money that I received was $1,493.58. So if you just subtract the sell versus the total cost, that is my total profit. And just because I did this, it doesn't mean that I'm done with Tesla. I'm still planning on investing in Tesla more. It's just that I decided to take profits, but if I see a good opportunity in Tesla stock or any other stock, I'm definitely going to take advantage like I did here. I'm actually doing my biggest swing trade ever with Facebook. I have a lot of shares right now and hoping to do the same thing just like I did with Tesla with Facebook. Alright, so here I'm showing you my total profit from doing this investment in 2 days. There you go, $218.34. Total profit by the $1,200 investment. If I do the math, I believe that's about 20% profit in just 2 days. So this is definitely the way to go. Profits will make you a fortune. You can do this all the time, anytime there's an opportunity. You just have to make sure you do your technical analysis. Because of what happened, the huge sell-off in the market, I already had my eyes on Tesla for a long time, but I wanted to make sure that it continued to make higher highs and it didn't continue to go down. Because if you had bought and it continued to go down, you're not going to make any money from it. You have to make sure that you receive confirmation that it is beginning to start an upward trend, which is what it's doing now. And this is a stock that always makes higher highs. So you're pretty much no risk. The worst thing that can happen is you're going to have to wait a little bit longer. But that's pretty much it. You really have nothing to lose. Tesla is a very safe investment that always continues to make higher highs. And plus, it's the future. I would be comfortable putting all of my money in Tesla right now. But I feel like I can make money through other ways, more money. So I'm not doing that. But yeah, as always, do your own research when investing. Don't do what others tell you to do. Always do what makes sense to you, and only if it does. Do your own research, because your profits are not my profits. Your losses are not my losses. There we go, subscribers. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. This is exactly how I took a 2-day swing trade with Tesla. Let me know if you are swing trading right now. If you're in any open position, let me know. I'm very interested. What stocks do you find a lot of value in that you're investing very heavy in? Let me know if you have any questions or you want to learn more, something in detail. I will gladly help out. Just leave me a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.